Hello, everybody. Yeah, you're so excited to listen to some more math today. Today is 5.6. What up? We're dealing with number patterns today. You don't have a typical story problem lesson here. This is where they stick in patterns, okay? So we're going to look at this. Daryl is making a pattern for a quilt. The pattern shows 40 squares, and every fourth one is blue. How many blue squares are in the pattern? Okay, so we're going to do this. We're starting with 4, okay, that's our starting number, and every fourth number, so 4, so I'm really looking at my multiples of 4, so 4, 12, what's 4 times 4? Good, 16, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9, and 4 times 10. So now I just have to count these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there would be 10 in this one. Okay, so these are really just your multiples, and there it is, 10. Now, how they do this lesson in patterns. They're going to say, I want you to do your first term. So first term is 27. And they want you to subtract by 5. Okay, and they want you, actually, let's make it smaller or else we're going to run out of numbers. Let's say subtract by 2. And they want you to list 12. So if I go 27, minus 2 is 25, minus 2 is 23, minus 2 is 21, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3. Now they want you to show me a pattern using this, okay? What do you notice about every number? When I do this, every number is what? They're all good. So they're all odd numbers, right? Okay. Now let's try another one. Let's do 50. 50 will be our starting number. So that's our first term. And then we're going to add 2 minus 3. So 50 plus 2 is 52. Minus 3 is 49. Plus 2 is 51. Minus 3 is 48. Plus 2 is 50. Minus 3 is 47. Plus 2 is 49. Minus 3 is 46. Then plus 2 is 48, minus 3 is 45. Okay, so now I got to find a pattern in this. It goes even, even, odd, odd, even, even, odd, odd, even, even, odd. So you got 2 evens, then 2 odds, and 2, and then there's your pattern, and 2 odds again. So that's what you're doing. You're going to follow what they're asking you to do, starting with the first term, and then you got to describe a pattern you see with those numbers. That is how today's lesson is done. This is Mr. Rouse teaching 5.6. Join me next time as we get into a new unit of 6.1. Have a nice night.